There is a special and different in drawing first angle, and I want to show you in this video. Please watch the video to the end and please subscribe. Alright, let's get to. So we're drawing this block in first angle projection, okay? So this is, we're looking at it from this arrow direction. And if you look at how I painted this my object, okay, this part painted red, okay, signifies the front view, okay. The part painted green signifies the side view, and the part painted orange signifies the top view. Now we're going to be drawing this block in first angle projection. I want to get the total length of my front view. So this is 10, 40, 10. That is 60 as total length. So my meter rule, I'll measure 60 at this my baseline. Please watch very carefully. 60. Now I'm at this point here, okay. I'm still say I'll go up with how many? 20. Go up with 20. From this other area, I'm still going up to with 20. So I'll go up with 20. Mark that point, okay. Now at this area, I'm coming in by 25. I'll mark and draw. And then I'm going up here by 10. That is 1 cm. Okay. The start here is also 10 to 1 cm to this part here. Sorry. And I'll go up with 10 to. I'll join this part too. Now I'll also draw this up part here, which is 10 and 60. 10 here, 10. Then I'll join it to 60. Okay, now let's move over to our side. This part here is our side view, okay, from this area. So this and this. Now this total length here is 20 and 15, which is 35. So from here, I'll measure 35. Okay, so from here, I'm going up with 22. I just draw it up. Now I'll be going into by 20. So I'll be going in this way by 20. By 20, and then I'll go up by 10. This up here by 10. And then I'll finish it up. Okay, there is a little part here. So this line here, okay, it's like this part here. I'll join it straight. And to do that, I'll do some elongations. Place it here. Place it this way. Okay. So I'm bringing it down. Bringing it down. Bringing it this way too. I'm bringing it this way. Also this part, I'm also bringing this part down so here and here. Now the top view. At the top view, which is this part here, okay, so I'm going with 15, 60, 15. Should give me 15, this part here. 15, and this should give me my 16. Yes, 16, and okay, 15 again, 15. Now this is 10, and here 5. 10, 5, 40, 5, 10. So I'll go with 10 from here, going with 10 from here, so I'm also going with 10. Now bring it down with 5. Bring it down with 5. Now join it. Okay, and then to that part here too, this base part, which is 20, 60. So automatically here is 20 already. So I'm gonna go with this. Now remember, there is there is something under here. Okay, so let's go with broken lines just like this. Okay, now please mind you, just in case of next time, okay, if I should trace this part here, is a mistake actually omitted in this part of the drawing. If I should trace it this way, okay, and bring it up here, there won't be any broken line here. My broken line automatically starts from this part here. Okay, it's actually a part of our side view that was actually omitted, which is this 0.5 here. It will appear as a broken line too. So me, I'll mark my 0.5 and bring it down. This is how the three views of this drawing looks like. Thank you guys for watching. As I introduce this video, please like, share, and comment for more engaging content like this.